प्रभावी माध्यम सध्या आपल्या समोर जे दिसत आहे ते म्हणजे गुगल फॉर्म. तर मी आजच्या व्याख्यानामध्ये तुम्हाला गुगल फॉर्म बद्दलची माहिती सांगणार आहे. मी सर्वात प्रथम हे नमूद करतो की मी माझ्या समोर जे श्रोते आहेत, हे जे पार्टिसिपंट्स आहेत, ह्या पार्टिसिपंट्सला गुगल फॉर्म बद्दलची अजिबात माहिती नाहीये. दे आर बिगिनर्स. ते सुरुवात करत आहेत असं गृहीत धरलेलं आहे आणि हे गृहीत धरून मी गुगल फॉर्म कसा तयार करायचा ह्या अगदी बेसिक गोष्टी सांगणार आहे. माझ्या व्याख्यानाच्या शेवटच्या टप्प्यामध्ये मी गुगल फॉर्ममध्ये मॅथमॅटिकल रायटिंग कसं करायचं हे 2 पद्धतीने सांगणार आहे. मॅथमॅटिकल इक्वेशन्स, मॅथमॅटिकल एक्सप्रेशन्स हे गुगल फॉर्ममध्ये आपल्याला कशा पद्धतीने इन्सर्ट करता येतील याचे 2 मार्ग, 2 वेगवेगळ्या पद्धती मला ज्ञात आहेत. त्या दोघांबद्दल मी बोलणार आहे. तर ही आमच्या अहमदनगर शहराची थोडीशी एक ऐतिहासिक ओळख मी आपल्याला करून दिलेली आहे आणि आता आपण आपल्या मुख्य विषयाकडे वळणार आहोत. द मेन टॉपिक today's topic is how to create Google form, and this demonstration is for beginners. I am assuming that here the participant, the members who have participated in this program, they do not know how to create the Google form. So for them, this is my demonstration. The very first thing for creating Google form is you must have a Google account. So if you have Google account, then start that Google account, click on sign in, choose your Google account, and in that Google account you type Google form. As soon as you type word Google form, this Google will give you different type of options which are related to it. So I will choose sign in. Note that there are various methods to start the Google form. There are different shortcuts, but I am telling you one Rajmarg. So this Rajmarg is through sign in. So let me sign in. Now once we sign in, it will take you to your drive, and here it will show you the forms which you have, Google forms which you have already created. So here I have created one form which is named as Swagat Ahmednagar, chain rule, differentiation, maths textbook 1 and 2. This plus sign is for creating new Google form. So I will click on this plus sign to start the new form, and new form is created, new form is generated. Now here it asks for title. It asks for title. So let me give title, suitable title for this. Let me write mathematics test 1. This is the name of our Google form, and same name will automatically appear here. The name title which I have given will automatically appear in this form at the top. Below that title we have to write description. Space is provided for writing description. What we are supposed to write in description? The user of this form should know what for this form is created. So in description you can type whatever description you want. In order to save the time, I have already typed all the material. I will just copy it and paste it here. I have typed some sentences in my Word file, so I will copy them and paste it here. So here I have typed attempt all questions and then submit the form. Click on submit button. So this is the instruction for user. Now I will move to question. Here we can insert question, and different types of questions can be added. So to choose the type of question, we have to click here, and once we click on this button, it will show you different types of options for questions. So you can have short answer question, paragraph means we can give paragraph for writing answer, full answer, multiple choice questions, checkbox, drop down, file upload. So what is this file upload? Student can write answer on paper, take a photograph of his answer and upload it. So these are different options. I will choose here multiple choice question. And in multiple choice questions, once I choose it, here is the space for writing the question. Here is the space for writing the questions. Let me write one question. The negation of the statement, if triangle is equilateral, then it is isosceles. So I have already typed some questions, some sentences. I copy them and paste it here. So I have pasted my question, copied and pasted my question to save the time. Now, after writing question, I have to give option to this MCQ. So here this is the space, the triangle. Again I will make a copy and paste technique here. I have to save the time. Every time it is not necessary to type in the word and copy and paste it. Okay, so I have typed one first option here. Now I want to give second option. So I will click on add option. Now 3 times I will click on add option and I will get a space for writing 3 options, and I will paste my options also. So this is my first multiple choice question. Now in this question there is no mathematical expression, there is no mathematical equation, no formula, no symbol. So it is very easy to type such type of question which doesn't include any expression. So question is ready. Question is ready. Now here let me explain one button. One by one I will explain each and every button on which you see here in the form. So here required. If I click on this required button, it becomes blue. It changes its color. Now not only for changing the color of that button, the purpose of this is, if we click on this required button, if it is active, then for student it will be compulsory to answer this form. Without answering this question, student cannot submit the form. You can use this button for accepting name and roll number of student. So name, roll number, division, these are required things, these are necessary things. So for those questions you make this button required. Now after that, let us see how our form will be viewed by student. हा फॉर्म वापरणारा जो असेल, युजर जो असेल, त्या युजरला कसा दिसेल. दिस व्यू इज कॉल्ड डिझाइन व्यू. सो वी आर इन डिझाइन व्यू. हा फॉर्म तयार होत असताना असा दिसतोय. त्या विद्यार्थ्याला हे बटन दिसलं नाही पाहिजे रिक्वायर्ड. हे डिलीटचं बटन, कॉपीचं बटन, हे सगळे बाकीचे जे बटन्स आहेत हे नाही दिसले पाहिजेत. फक्त क्वेश्चन दिसलं पाहिजे. सो हाऊ दॅट स्टुडंट विल व्यू दिस फॉर्म, फॉर दॅट वी हॅव हिअर आय टाइप symbol. So we click on this symbol, this button, and it will show you how your form looks. Now I have made little change in questions. I have written here A, B, C, D also. A, B, C, D, and then I will click on this I type button, and this is how our form will be viewed by student. Now let us give one let us answer this question. So try this form. So let me ask one of the participant to answer this question. So question is, the negation of statement, if triangle is equilateral then it is isosceles. If triangle is equilateral then it is isosceles. And 4 options are given. You can read these 4 options also. So I have enlarged it now, magnified it now, so you can read it properly. And let me ask Jadhav sir. Jadhav sir, what is your answer? Hello, Jadhav sir. Yes, got it now, got it. Jadhav sir says his answer is C. That means if triangle is not equilateral then it is not isosceles. This is Jadhav sir's answer. Let us click on C and submit his answer, and after submitting, Jadhav sir will find this type of message. What is message? Your response has been recorded. submit another response. Do you want to submit another response? No, we don't want to submit another response. We want to know whether Jadhav sir's answer is right or wrong. But how this computer, this Google form will come to know which of these 4 options is correct? Okay, so we have to feed the correct answer also. Then this Google form will compare Jadhav sir's answer with this correct answer. So let me close this view form and let us come to design view. Let us come to design view. In design view, here we have gear type button. This button is called setting button. So we can make setting in our form. So let me click on setting button, and in setting button there are 3 different types of settings. So we will move to quizzes, and in quizzes we click this first button, make a quiz. In quizzes we click on this toggle button, make this a quiz. So this form will be converted into quiz, and save this quiz. After saving this quiz, we have to insert correct answer. अजून आपण याचं उत्तर बरोबर कोणतं आहे ते सांगितलेलं नाही. याला मार्क किती द्यायचे ते पण सांगितलेलं नाही. तर 0 पॉइंट दिसते आपल्याला. इथे आपल्याला 0 पॉइंट दिसतोय आणि आन्सर की मध्ये आन्सर दिलेलं नाही. तर now let me write answer and allot mark to this question. So here is the space to change the marks for this question, and correct answer of this question, I know C is not the correct answer, option D is correct. So I will make this D option highlight, click it and click on the done button. So now my form is ready with the correct option. That means form know which answer is correct. Now if someone tries to write his answer, this form will give his result also. So again we will go to the view, click on this view button and try to answer this question. Now let me again feed Jadhav sir's answer. Jadhav sir's answer is C. Submit. Now here one more button has appeared, and that is view score. So Jadhav sir can view his score. So once he click on view score, his score will be shown. Total points, he has got 0 points out of 2, and his answer C is wrong, and correct answer is D. Correct answer is D. Now let me close this score form and put the correct answer. Say correct answer if I write D and submit it. Again it will give me chance to view the score. If I view the score, it will show me 2 out of 2. It shows me 2 out of 2. Okay. So this is how we can see the score and feed the answer. Now this submit another response, because of this, but since this button is active, student will keep on submitting responses again and again. So how to close this facility? How to close this button? For that we go to the design view of the form. We go to design view of the form, and in design view we click on the setting button. We click on the setting button, and in setting button we can click on limit to 1 response. So this will limit student to 1 response, means only student can submit only 1 response. And save this, and now go to student view and submit the form. Write the option D, submit the form, and here only view score button has appeared, and submit another response, this button cannot be seen. So student will not get chance to submit another response. एक स्टूडेंट एक बार ही ये फॉर्म व्यू कर सकता है, एक बार ही ये फॉर्म भर सकता है, दूसरे बार वो ट्राई नहीं कर सकता. दिस फॉर्म विल नॉट गिव हिम सेकंड चांस. सो लेट मी क्लोज दिस व्यू and come to design view. Let me come to design view, and this is clear that student can see his score, but the person who has created this form, how he will come to know that who has submitted this form and what are the scores of different students. So he can click on this form here on responses. Once he click on responses, different types of different statistics will be shown here. The best way to view is click on this green colored button. This green colored button, you can see that green color button here. This button will create a spreadsheet. This green colored button creates a spreadsheet. So let me click on this button. It will ask whether to create a new spreadsheet or select the existing one. So let me create new spreadsheet, and spreadsheet is ready. While trying this form, I have filled 11 responses, and these are the answers of these 11 respondents. Somewhere Jadhav sir's answer is there, and I have tried this form. I have filled some responses, so these are the responses. Now let me close this spreadsheet, and let me come to the design view of the form. Let me come to design view. Now before going to design view, let me explain this button. Now how long to keep this form open? म्हणजे हा फॉर्म आपल्याला कधीपर्यंत चालू ठेवायचा, केव्हा तरी हे सबमिशन आपल्याला बंद करावं लागेल. सो हिअर इज द बटन. Here is the button to close the form. So accepting responses, it is on. If I click it, it will show not accepting response. That means this form is closed. And if someone click on the message, tries to operate the form, fill the form, he will get message, this form is no longer accepting responses. You can change this message also. Whatever message you want to give, you can give it. Now let me change the setting of this form. Let us keep on accepting responses to this form, and go to design view. Go to design view. So this is design view. Now let me show you how to send link of this this form to our students. Now I want to send the link of this form which I have generated to the all participants. So for that I will click on send button. Now once I click on the send button, it gives me different media, different ways to send the form, the link of the form. So I will click on link. I just want to send the link. Link is created, link is generated, but this link is too long, so we shorten this link. ही लिंक आपण छोटी करणार, and copy this link. If I click on copy button, this message has appeared, copied to link, copied to clipboard. The link is copied. ह्या लिंकची कॉपी करून झालेली आहे. आता ही लिंक मी सेंड करणार. हाऊ कॅन आय सेंड इट? I can send via email, I can send it via SMS, I can paste it in Word file, I can paste it in Excel form, I can use WhatsApp media to send it. So WhatsApp media is the best. So let me click on WhatsApp. And in WhatsApp I will choose one account, and to that account I will send. So here I can see Prakash Gaurkar's name. So let me click on Prakash Gaurkar, and here is the space to paste the link. So I will right click and click on the paste button. Link is pasted here. ती लिंक जी आहे ती लिंक इथं पेस्ट झालेली आहे. You can see that link here. ही जी लिंक पेस्ट झालेली आहे ही मी सेंड करतोय. हे सेंड करायचं बटन आहे, ह्याच्यावरती क्लिक केलं आणि लिंक सेंड झालेली आहे. दिस लिंक टेक्स नो टाइम टू सेंड. इट टेक्स नो टाइम टू सेंड लिंक. हे लिंक सेंड करायला आपल्याला जास्त वेळ लागत नाही, जास्त डेटा लागत नाही. इमेज फाईल, व्हिडिओ असतील तर त्याला खूप वेळ लागतो. इथे आपण फक्त लिंक सेंड करतो. ही लिंक फॉर्म ऍक्च्युअली गुगल ड्राईव्ह वरती सेव्ह झालेला आहे. Form is already saved on Google Drive, and I have forwarded this link to my friend Prakash Gaurkar sir. Prakash Gaurkar sir, I request you to forward this link to all the members in KMGP group, all the members in webinar, all participants in webinar. प्रकाश सरांना मी विनंती करतोय की त्यांनी ही लिंक जी आहे ही लिंक आपल्या सर्व पार्टिसिपंटला पाठवून द्यावी, म्हणजे आत्ता लगेच हे पार्टिसिपंट हा गुगल फॉर्म ओपन करतील आणि यापुढे मी जे काही काम सांगणार आहे ते काम ते त्या फॉर्म मधून करू शकतील. धन्यवाद प्रकाश सर. मी हा व्हॉट्सअप बंद करतो. व्हॉट्सअपला जास्त वेळ द्यायचा नसतो. मी दिवसभरात फक्त 2 तास वेळ देतो, सकाळी आणि 2 तास संध्याकाळी. चला तर आपण आपल्या फॉर्म मध्ये डिझाईन व्ह्यू मध्ये आलेलो आहोत. आपल्या फॉर्मच्या डिझाईन व्ह्यू मध्ये आलेलो आहोत. आता मला पुढच्या टप्प्याकडे वळायचे, ते म्हणजे मला मॅथमॅटिकल टायपिंग करण्यासाठी काय करता येईल. मॅथमॅटिकल एक्सप्रेशन्स असणारे क्वेश्चन जे आहेत ते कसे लिहिता येतील. हाऊ टू राईट मॅथमॅटिकल एक्सप्रेशन्स, क्वेश्चन कंटेनिंग मॅथमॅटिकल एक्सप्रेशन्स. सो लेट मी ऍड one question here. So I will click on this plus sign. I click on this plus sign. This plus sign is to add the question. So click on this plus sign and here it gives me untitled question. So let me type one question here. So we have started writing second question. The inverse of matrix, the inverse of matrix. Now I want to write matrix. Google form doesn't allow me to write matrix here, write mathematical equations here. So I will insert that matrix in picture form. What I will do, I will insert that matrix in picture form. त्याची PNG फाईल मी बनवून ठेवलेली आहे. Already I have created one picture PNG form of that matrix and matrix equation. So I will copy and paste it here, insert it here. So how to insert that picture here? So here is one button. This button is for inserting picture. Let me magnify it. So this is the button where we can insert the picture. Now त्याचा एक भाऊ इथं पण असतो पहा. हे जे बटन आहे ना, हेच बटन आपल्याला इथं पण अपियर झालेलं दिसेल. सो यू कॅन क्लिक ऑन दिस बटन, either on this button or this button. Their function is same. Once I click on this picture button, it gives me several options. I can use camera, I can paste by URL, photo, Google Drive, upload. Upload means what? Upload means I can upload picture फ्रॉम माय फाईल इनटू द फॉर्म. म्हणजे माझ्या फाईलमध्ये, माझ्या कॉम्प्युटरमध्ये जे सेव्ह केलेलं पिक्चर आहे ते पिक्चर मी इथं अपलोड करू शकतो. सो लेट मी क्लिक ऑन दिस ब्राउज बटन. Once I click on this browse button, it has opened my computer's drive. हार्ड ड्राईव्ह मध्ये आपण गेलेलो आहोत आणि त्याच्यामध्ये पिक्चर नावाचं जे फोल्डर आहे त्याच्यामध्ये त्याला खूप सारे पिक्चर्स पाहायला मिळत आहेत. हे सगळे वेगवेगळे क्वेश्चन्स मी टाईप करून ठेवलेले आहे. याच्यातला एक क्वेश्चन जो आहे मॅट्रिक्सचा तो खाली आहे म्हणून मी याला स्क्रोल केला. हिअर इज क्वेश्चन 2. आय नो हिअर दिस इज द क्वेश्चन विच आय वॉन्ट टू type or insert in the Google form. So once I select this question, next I will click on open and it will take few seconds or few minutes time to upload it, and once it is uploaded you will observe that that question has come here. So that picture form PNG picture, हे PNG picture म्हणजे काय, JPG फाईल म्हणजे काय, तुमच्या मोबाईलच्या कॅमेऱ्याने पुस्तकामध्ये असणारा क्वेश्चन तुम्ही क्लिक करून फोटो काढायचा, पुस्तकातल्या प्रश्नाचा फोटो काढायचा, त्याला क्रॉप करायचा म्हणजे आजूबाजूचा भाग कट करायचा आणि मोबाईलमध्ये सेव्ह केलेला जो फोटो आहे त्या मॅट्रिक्सच्या इक्वेशनचा, डिटर्मिनंटचा, इंटिग्रेशनचा, तो फोटो तुमच्या कॉम्प्युटरमध्ये सेंड करायचा. यू सेंड दॅट टू पर्टिक्युलर फाईल इन युअर कॉम्प्युटर and you can upload that picture here. So for every question, for if you want to make a form having 10 questions, you have to take 10 photographs and send these 10 photographs to your computer, and from computer drive you can take into the form. So this is one way of taking mathematical equations. ह्याच्यामध्ये ऑप्शन्स इथे क्लिक करता येणार नाहीत. स्टुडंट विल नॉट गेट फॅसिलिटी टू क्लिक ऑन these options. So you can you will have to add options at the bottom. Say I will write A, then click add option B, then click again, I get option C, option D, and then as usual I have to feed which of these 4 options is correct, how many marks I want to give to this question. Okay, so and then I have use that student view, fill this form, click on the score, view score. I have submitted answer D, here also answer D, and my both answers are correct. Now let me move to the design view of this form. This is design view of this form, and in design view I want to delete this question. हा जो पिक्चर आहे, हे पिक्चर हा सेकंड क्वेश्चन मला डिलीट करून टाकायचं आहे. सेकंड क्वेश्चन मला डिलीट करून टाकायचं आहे आणि मला इथं दुसऱ्या मेथडने हे इक्वेशन टाइप करायचं आहे. नाउ आय हॅव डिलीटेड दिस क्वेश्चन अँड नाउ I will show you how to type mathematical expression directly. So we don't have that question in textbook. Question is in my mind and I want to type it. So how can I type mathematical expression in Google Form? So for that I will work on 2 windows simultaneously. First I will minimize this window. I will use half part of my screen for this Google Form, and in remaining half part I will open one editor. In remaining half part I will open one editor. I will type my mathematical expression in that editor, copy it and paste it here in picture form. So let me minimize and I have minimized this window. जर तुम्ही मिनिमाइज केल्यानंतर याचा आकार खूपच लहान झाला तर इथे ड्रॅग करून तुम्ही त्याला लहान मोठी करू शकता. प्रॉपर यू कॅन ड्रॅग इट टू प्रॉपर साइज. इन दिस हाफ पार्ट I want to start another window. So what I will do, I will right click on this Chrome. हे क्रोमचं जे बटन आहे, ह्या क्रोमच्या बटन वरती मी राईट क्लिक करणार आहे. वन्स आय राईट क्लिक ऑन दिस क्रोम बटन, it gives me permission to open new window.